Bring on more magiswords! Tonight we're gonna start with the Fight Wick magisword. Gives you magic hair. Alexa, play Mighty Magisword's theme song.
Mighty Magiswords theme from Mighty Magiswords by Mr. Doos on Amazon Music.
Here's the Cat Burglar Magisword.
Warriors for hire here. Mighty Magiswords. It's their name and career. Mighty Magiswords. Sword siblings quest. Mighty Magiswords. Which is what they do best. Mighty Magiswords. They have special tools for which they are fools. These guys lose their mind when they collect and find the mighty Magiswords.
Mighty Magiswords.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Warriors for hire here.
Mighty Magiswords.
It's their name and career.
Mighty Magiswords.
Sword siblings quest.
Mighty Magiswords.
Which is what they do best.
Mighty Magiswords.
They have special tools for which they are fools. These guys lose their mind when they collect and find the mighty Magiswords.
Mighty Magiswords.
Here's the diamond. And here's the hook. Let's see. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Warriors for hire.
Now, Bite Beast!
It's their name and career. Sword siblings quest. Which is what they do best. They have special tools for which they are
This little guy has the ability to summon monsters called Bite Beasts. You can summon the Bite Beasts. You can summon the monsters, and the Bite Beasts will do whatever you tell them. Even if that means biting off somebody's butt. Delicious. Bite Beasts. Love it. Bite Beast. Let's see what else I can draw up. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Warriors for hire here. It's their name and career. Sword siblings quest. Which is what they do best. They have special tools for which they are fools. These guys lose their mind.
Glow stick magisword. This one I haven't drawn before.
Swords. Mighty Magiswords.
Alexa, what is a glow stick?
According to Wikipedia, a glow stick, also known as a light stick, chem light, light wand, light rod, and rave light, is a self-contained, short-term light source. It consists of a translucent plastic tube containing isolated substances that, when combined, make light through chemiluminescence. The light cannot be turned off and can be used only once. The used tube is then thrown away.
Here's the pillow magisword. This used to haunt my dreams. I mean, this pillow, actually. 1 second, guys. As I was saying before, the pillow magisword used to haunt my dreams. Well, the actual pillow itself, the shape of it, back when I first saw Blue's Clues, that nap time special episode, and well, when Steve thought of the wrong idea, the one that didn't make sense, it was what really scared me. I felt like that smiling pillow, it was nightmare juice. Ew! I was traumatized in fear because of that episode. To be honest, this is why Blue's Clues are for fucked up assholes! You want me to shout it again? I will. After this episode is done. But still,
What did you just say?
I said...
Yeah. Watch your mouth.
Alright. Alright. Okay, that's enough of that. What other sword should I draw next? Little blue bomb magisword, of course. You know what a bomb does? Boom! Yeah, it goes kaboom. Sweet monkey, chunky, bunky. This guy can create bombs at will. Bombs that will make you say, oh my god, I think my butt just exploded. There. Wait, I feel like I made this sword before. Oh well. Anyhow, those are all the swords for now. Until next time. Hold on. Blue's Clues are for fucked up assholes.